Welcome back to Tools Inspector. Did you know most drivers regret not buying these car gadgets sooner because they make driving safer, smarter, and way more comfortable every single day? Today's gadgets are so useful that once you see them, you'll wonder how your car survived without them. Number 1. What if your old car could instantly feel like a brand new luxury ride? The PLZ 10.1-inch touchscreen stereo brings wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right to your dashboard for a smarter and safer driving experience. Its massive floating display makes navigation, music, and calls super easy while driving. With Bluetooth 5.3 and powerful 240W audio output, your road trips suddenly feel like a private concert. It even supports dual subwoofers for deep bass lovers who enjoy premium sound. Number 2. Ever struggled reaching the roof of your Jeep while loading luggage or cleaning it? The SmittyBilt Atlas doorstep gives you instant elevated access without bulky ladders or risky climbing. It mounts securely onto your Jeep door hinge area and provides a strong, stable stepping platform. Whether you're mounting rooftop gear, washing your vehicle, or accessing cargo, this little accessory makes a huge difference. Number 3. Tiny scratches on your windshield or windows can completely ruin the premium look of your car. This glass scratch removal kit helps restore clarity using a simple drill attachment system anyone can use at home. Instead of replacing expensive glass panels, you can polish away light scratches and stubborn marks in minutes. It works on windshields, side windows, mirrors, and many other glass surfaces. The polishing compound helps improve visibility and gives your car a cleaner, newer appearance. Number 4. Cleaning tight spaces inside your car can feel almost impossible until you try this powerful Vortex air cleaning gun. The SPTA blow gun uses high-pressure airflow to blast dust, crumbs, and dirt out of vents, seats, carpets, and hidden corners instantly. It creates a tornado-style air effect that lifts debris without needing aggressive scrubbing. Perfect for car detailing lovers who want professional-level cleaning at home. Number 5. Want your Toyota Tacoma to look more aggressive and modern on the road? These LED daytime running lights instantly transform the front appearance with a sleek premium glow. Designed specifically for 2012 to 2015 Tacoma models, they perfectly fit into the fog light assembly area for an OEM-style finish. Besides improving style, they also increase visibility during daytime driving for added safety. Number 6. Car theft is becoming smarter, which means your security system should be smarter too. The Electop 120dB alarm system instantly reacts to vibration, movement, and suspicious activity with an extremely loud siren. Its wireless remote makes arming and disarming quick and convenient from a distance. The flashing LED warning light also helps scare away potential thieves before they even touch your vehicle. Number 7. Messy charging cables inside a car can make your dashboard look cluttered and annoying. This 3-in-1 wireless charging phone holder keeps your phone secure, visible, and charging at the same time. The automatic clamping arms lock your device in place the moment you place it on the mount. Fast wireless charging means your battery stays powered during long navigation sessions. It's compatible with both iPhones and Samsung devices. Number 8. Reaching your car roof shouldn't require climbing tires or balancing dangerously on doors. The Moki car doorstep hooks directly onto your door latch to create a secure stepping platform in seconds. It's incredibly useful for loading roof racks, cleaning SUVs, or attaching rooftop cargo carriers. Despite its compact size, it's built strong enough to support full body weight comfortably. The foldable design means you can store it easily in your glove box or center console. Number 9. If your pet turns your back seat into a disaster zone after every ride, this waterproof seat cover is a lifesaver. The URPOWER dog seat hammock protects seats from mud, fur, scratches, spills, and claw damage while keeping your pet comfortable. Its heavy-duty waterproof material is built for messy adventures and long road trips. The anti-slip backing helps prevent sliding even during sudden braking or sharp turns. Number 10. Imagine having cold drinks, snacks, or skincare products available right inside your car, during hot summer drives. The Cooluli mini fridge is compact, portable, and works both as a cooler and warmer depending on your needs. It plugs directly into your vehicle's 12V outlet, making it perfect for road trips, camping, and long commutes. Despite its small size, it can hold multiple cans or essential items easily. Students, travelers, and content creators especially love this gadget for its convenience. Number 11. If you want your car or motorcycle to stand out instantly at night, these animated devil eyes lights are impossible to ignore. The bright circular halo effects create a futuristic custom appearance with multiple animated lighting patterns. They add a unique personality to headlights and completely change the vibe of your vehicle after dark. Whether parked or cruising through the streets, these lights grab attention immediately. Number 12. Long road trips become messy fast when everyone keeps throwing items around the back seat. This universal rear seat console organizer adds extra storage, cup holders, and a convenient armrest area for passengers. It helps keep drinks, phones, snacks, and small accessories organized instead of scattered everywhere. The premium black finish blends nicely with most car interiors for a factory-style look. Number 13. These aren't just ordinary seat covers. They completely transform your car interior into a luxury-style cabin. The CAR LED seat covers combine premium Napa leather with customizable RGB lighting effects for a futuristic atmosphere. You can even sync the lights with music for an eye-catching nighttime driving experience. Besides looking stylish, they also protect seats from spills, dirt, and daily wear. Number 14. Cleaning the inside of a windshield is one of the most frustrating car cleaning tasks ever. The XINDELL windshield cleaning tool solves this problem with an extendable handle and reusable microfiber pads that easily reach difficult corners. It removes fingerprints, fog buildup, and dust without leaving annoying streaks behind. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to use even on larger windshields and SUVs. It also works great on home windows and mirrors, making it surprisingly versatile. Number 15. If your sunglasses constantly slide around your car or get scratched inside cup holders, this gadget fixes that instantly. The Yuoyar magnetic sunglass holder clips directly onto your sun visor for quick and secure access while driving. Its soft leather design protects glasses from damage while adding a premium touch to the interior. You can also store parking tickets, cards, or receipts using the built-in clip feature. The magnetic closure keeps everything firmly in place, even on rough roads. Don't forget to check the links below, and we'll catch you in the next Tools Inspector video.